shoes shall we make? Cut the fabric. Good job! Choose a color. Color the fabric with the hairspray. The patterns. Choose a thread for the sewing machine. Let's start sewing. Outstanding! Fit the shoe onto the mold. Let's make the shoe sole. Cut along the lines. Apply glue on the soles. Good job! Brush off the dust. Choose a Velcro shape. Add more decorations. Ta-da! The shoe looks amazing. Ta-da! Choose a backdrop. Dress up your customer. Now, let's take a picture. You're the best. Thank you. Come again. Welcome in. I would like something like this. What clothes shall we make? Choose a fabric color. Choose a pattern. Measure with the ruler. Cut the fabric. Trace the lines. That's amazing! Choose a thread for the sewing machine. Let's start sewing! Outstanding! Now let's iron the clothes. Choose a button or a zipper. Sew the buttons. Sew on the pockets. Add more decorations. Wow, it looks amazing! Choose a backdrop. Dress up your customer. Now, let's take a picture. Wow, it looks great. Thank you. Come again. Welcome in. I came to get measured. Let me take your measurements. Shoulder length. Arm length. Upper body length. Head size. Waist measurement. Leg length. Come again. Welcome in. Hello. What clothes shall we make? Choose a fabric color. Choose a pattern. Measure with the ruler. Cut the fabric. Trace the line. That's amazing! Choose a thread for the sewing machine. Let's start sewing. Outstanding! Now let's iron the clothes. Choose a button or a zipper. Sew on the pocket. Add more decorations. Wow, it looks amazing! Ta-da! Choose a backdrop. Dress up your customer. Now let's take a picture. Wow, you did a great job. Thank you. Come again. Hello. I would like something like this. What clothes shall we make? Choose a fabric color. Choose a pattern for the hat. Measure with the ruler. Cut the fabric. Match the pattern shapes. Now let's iron the clothes. Press the cutting mold. decorations. Let's start sewing. Add more decorations.